English or Spanish?
So actually, hello guys. Today's video is a little bit very different.
English or Spanish?
My brother is in the
English or Spanish?
unnecessary. So unnecessary that I can't even put it in words. Oh, it's kind of dark. It's a little bright. So today is a really special day for me because it's officially 2, 3, I don't know how many years since I wrote a letter to my future self. So I'm going to be reading it today, and this is such a crazy memory, such a crazy moment for me personally. I cannot put it in words, guys. Okay, we'll be back in 2 minutes. Bye-bye. So, hello again, my lovely audience. Here's the letter. It's probably mirror. It's probably not gonna be straight, but it's written August 28, 2024. I'm supposed to open it today. And I actually wonder what is in this because I can honestly not think of what was going on in my mind when I wrote all of it. That this girl has had no ambitions whatsoever. And I honestly think what was her career choice, because I don't know when I even wrote this, so we'll get an idea after reading this, I guess. How do you open this thing? Okay, this is really taking time. Better lighting? Yeah, this is better. Honestly, I wanted to film this very professionally and stuff, but I was not in the mood and I was too lazy to do all of this. So ta-da. Okay, so opening this is going to be a huge memory for me, okay, because I cannot even have the thoughts of what it's going to be like. Why is there an Airtel oversized statement of all the calls I've made so far? Like all the calls I have made my whole month of, I didn't mention the date. Okay, 2021, but it's not that old, trust me. I think I wrote it later. Handwriting. Another letter to my future self. Me from 2024, August 28, Wednesday. Okay. Okay, it's to me. I thought from, I was like confused. Okay, it's to me from 2024, August 28, which is basically today. To 2 years ahead of me, you, me. What difference have you even made, huh? The audacity I had to question myself. Like I legit went and I asked, what difference did you make, huh? I think I was very underconfident. I was very underestimating myself and my capabilities. I may be jealous of you a lot. Wait, let me check the date. October 5th, 2022, which is... No, we don't speak about that. Yeah, I may be jealous of you. I'm asking you, man, are you jealous of me? Seriously? A lot. But I'm afraid more than that. What made you like that? I wonder what made me like that. Okay. What made me like that? Okay, spill the tea, girl. If you have no one to tell you the fact you're an amazing, glamorous girl. I wrote gal. Ugh. Cringe. Amazing, glamorous gal. And you don't need to cry over your marks from boards, lol. Okay, she knew that I'm not doing it well. You don't need to cry over your marks from boards, okay? Yes. Build yourself. I'm giving myself courage. Okay. Stream कौन सा ली बे? Stream कौन सी ली मैंने 10th के बाद is the question. Probably science, because your dad must have told you to. Probably science, because your dad must have told you to. I am so sorry. I am literally so sorry. I am so sorry to my past self that I couldn't be up to her expectations because I ended up taking not commerce but humanities. My science औकात है मेरी साइंस लेने की औकात भी नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से तो. बट ओके, फॉर मी एज ऑफ नाउ I want arts, lol. Okay, I wanted arts, but I wasn't really going to take it because, yeah, I don't know. I was having probably a lot of stuff. But then, yeah, I ended up taking. Thank you, past self, for being confident. You made your future self take something which you wanted to, I guess. Why did I make the date particular? Yeah, even I'm questioning because I wrote this letter on October 5th, 2022, right? But why the hell did I make the date as August 28, 2024? Which is quite confusing for me. Mummy? phone ठीक हो गया? नहीं हुआ, unfortunately. Oh, मेरा phone भी ठीक होना था. This is a very important video. Come show up yourself here. Come, इधर आओ, इधर आओ. I am reading a letter I wrote to myself 2 years ago. I was supposed to open it today. बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेशल मेमोरी.
वो छोड़ो, पर वो बताओ ना, फोन क्यों नहीं ठीक हुआ?
हो जाएगा, कॉल आएगा अभी. वो लोग कॉल करके पार्ट्स दफाओ. निकलो. ओके, आई एम ऑल्सो फॉर माई पास्ट सेल्फ जिसने आर्ट्स लेने का सोचा था बट लेने का डर था साइंस लिए. Apparently मैंने for that self, dude, your parents are very supportive. पहली बात तो ये, your parents are extremely supportive of taking arts, but your parents are not supportive of your marks. That is another thing. तुम जो कर रहे हो तुम्हें उसमें अच्छा रहना चाहिए. So that's the advice I would give, even though I don't think you're asking me. Why did I make the date particular? Even I'm asking you, dude. Well, just to test if you are that same emo girl who cares for the silliest reasons. Same emo girl who cares for the silliest reasons. Fuck up, Kinshu. यहाँ से निकलो.
What? Did you say emo girl?
Emo girl. I said emo
Emo
girl.
is a robot.
Emo कुछ नहीं होता.
Emo is an AI robot that you can buy on Flipkart. It costs 20,000 rupees.
बस हो गया. So
it is a partner and it will.
मैं थप्पड़ मारने. I am holding back. मैं YouTube पे डाल दूँगी. थप्पड़ पड़ेगा तुम्हें. डालना तो मैं वाली ही हूँ probably. If this editing turns out good, I don't know. I don't even edit right now. Like this video is so worst camera, worst quality ever, and I'm making it on my mobile. I will beat them up for everything. Okay. Yes, I'm sorry. I am not the emo girl. I do not understand why August 28 was chosen as the date for this. I do not understand why she specifically mentioned that if you are the same emo girl. I'm so sorry to my past self. She quotes something. It's your fault. It's your fault. Tamasha, it's so annoying. Okay, it's your fault, excuse me, what? She literally wrote, it's your fault, excuse me, what? I can hear you say the parallel universes away. Huh? I can hear you say the parallel universes away. Acha, I can hear you say it's your fault, parallel universes away. I'm not even blaming. Why are you saying that? What is my fault? I mean, what is your fault? Lol, curse at me how much ever you want.
Don't lie, you only wrote it.
I wrote it, but I don't remember why I asked
Then why
myself.
blaming them?
I am blaming myself. I'm supposed to blame myself.
No, just now said it's your fault.
It's my fault to the letter I wrote to myself. Anyways, जाओ यहाँ से. It's irritating यार. मेरा भाई परेशान करता है, मुझे बहुत परेशान करता है. I do not like him right now. It's annoying यार. कितना परेशान करता है मुझे. डोर क्लोज हो गया है. लाइट भी चेंज कर ली. Anyways, change of mood thoda. I hope. I don't understand why she asked me that, why she wrote on this that it's my fault. I mean, it's your fault. You are supposed to curse at me how much ever I want. I don't understand why. But probably if I think about it, probably she is... Probably क्यों बोल रही हूँ? She is probably expecting me to cringe out at her. Well, obviously, yeah, I will cringe out at you, dude. What the fuck were you up to? 9th grade? Ew. Experiences are just ups and downs. Okay? Yeah, point. I still agree. I still agree with the fact that experiences are up and down and you have to experience everything in life. You crying. Seriously? I don't want to cry, dude. What the fuck? It's all a thing to experience. Okay, I'm asking myself to accept the fact that I used to cry, and then my past self is stating the fact that I still cry till late, which is somewhat true. I don't know. You have no right to call me cringe. Okay, sure. I have a lot of right to call you cringe. Because now that I think of all of you, all of what you did, no, sorry girl, I can go back to my Instagram archive and look at the stories and I'll be okay, half of the video it's gonna be me vomiting. I will vomit. Okay, I swear to God, I will break all your favorite stuff. Not really. What you like is what I like. No, ew. What you like is not what I like. And what I like, how can you like? Because you were like, piche, whatever, back, way behind me. I bet you don't even know that.
I like Windows Vista nostalgia.
I bet you don't like anime because you did not watch much of it. No, wait, I did watch anime. I bet you didn't know about the new Chase Atlantic song because you did not hear to their music back then. You did not stream their music. Oh, yes. You do not know what happens. Sun God from... I don't know what the hell. Why am I bringing anime, bro? Obviously, she knew what anime was, but she did not know the Luffy 6th gear and 5th gear, whatever their sure आगे का क्या जाता है Sun God form. Did I? Even I feel like I'm losing my anime knowledge because I haven't been watching anime after my 10th grade, and even in 10th grade I saw it up until September or something.
Why
and
do you
after I
feel
quit.
you're made from trash?
I didn't say that I'm made from trash. Why the fuck is he annoying me? Okay, yeah, so sending hopes to go on. I don't need your hopes right now, but okay, yeah, thank you. I have an important thing tomorrow. I'm supposed to go for some representing a country and shit, you know, MUN and stuff. So yeah, I guess for that, hopes, thank you, I guess. Hope this brought a smile onto your face. I'm trying so hard to smile, but I'm not able to for some reason because the only thing I'm having is self-doubt. Wow. She predicted most of the stuff correctly because she wanted arts. I ended up taking arts. She thought that I must have taken science, but I did not. She thought that I'd curse at her. I am cursing at her, but it's your fault, excuse me, what? I never said that, okay? Experiences are just ups and downs. Ups and downs? Experiences are experiences, dude. Ups and downs क्या होता है? Ups and downs are experiences. You rephrase that thing. Everything. Okay, this girl had not experienced anything to begin with. And she herself blabbering about experiences makes me feel like, girl, I'm way ahead of you. I have had more experiences than you. Don't give up. Me from 2022 October 5th, Wednesday. I think I was sad when I wrote this. I have a hunch that I was sad. When was I not sad? 9 grade was me completely being sad the whole time. So this was the letter I wrote to myself 2 years, I don't know, 2.5 years, 2 years, something years ago. And this was me reading it. And this was your 15 minutes.